Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures beneath the surface? In this video, we are diving into the best waterproof metal detectors 2025. Top 5 models for beach and underwater hunting. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or just starting out, these picks are perfect for finding coins, relics, and even gold, rain or shine, land or sea. From cutting-edge features to rugged waterproof designs, these detectors are built to elevate your treasure hunting adventures. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Ulhund Metal Detector, a powerful and user-friendly device designed for beach and underwater treasure hunters. Engineered with an upgraded digital signal processing chip and a 10-inch search coil, it delivers enhanced accuracy and a broader detection range, making it exceptionally efficient for finding coins, jewelry, relics, and even gold. Its high sensitivity is perfect for time-saving searches, particularly in areas rich with hidden metallic treasures. Built with a waterproof stem and search coil, the Ulhund Metal Detector is ideal for use in shallow water, wet sand, or even rainy conditions, although users should note the control box is not waterproof. This makes it a reliable option for beach trips, park outings, or forest adventures. The detector supports 4 professional detection modes, including all metal, disc, notch, and pinpoint, allowing users to customize their treasure hunt and filter out unwanted materials like iron or other trash metals. One standout feature is its advanced ground balance system, which adapts to mineralized soils and reduces interference. It also uniquely identifies platinum with precision, something most detectors struggle with. The ergonomic design, featuring an adjustable stem from 45 to 60 inches and an anti-slip handle with an armrest, ensures comfort during long sessions. Lightweight and portable, it includes a handy shovel for convenient digging. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned treasure seeker, the Ulhund Metal Detector offers a high-value, risk-free investment with lifetime support, making it a thoughtful gift and a reliable companion for outdoor exploration. At number 4, the Garrett ACE 300 Metal Detector stands out as a trusted tool for enthusiasts seeking reliable beach and underwater performance. Equipped with a digital target identification system, this detector features a numeric scale ranging from 0 to 99, which helps users distinguish metal types with precision. Whether hunting for coins, jewelry, or relics, the ACE 300 enhances detection accuracy by analyzing metal conductivity, giving you a better idea of what lies beneath. Its improved iron resolution allows users to separate valuable targets from common iron trash, making it ideal for crowded environments where precision matters. The electronic pinpointing function further streamlines treasure hunting by helping users accurately zero in on their targets using a non-motion all-metal mode. An adjustable frequency setting minimizes electromagnetic interference, ensuring smoother operation in busy areas like public beaches or event zones. Built with durability in mind and backed by the Garrett name, this metal detector does not require batteries out of the box, and its ergonomic design is user-friendly for beginners and seasoned treasure hunters alike. The package includes several valuable accessories such as ClearSound Easy Stow headphones, a protective ACE environmental cover-up, and a search coil cover, which collectively enhance the user experience. With its excellent performance features and included gear, the Garrett ACE 300 Metal Detector is a strong pick for anyone serious about detecting in wet or dry conditions. Whether scanning shoreline sands or grassy fields, it offers reliability, sensitivity, and the satisfaction of uncovering hidden valuables. Next on our list is the DR.ÖTEK Metal Detector, a feature-rich choice tailored for both professionals and hobbyists who enjoy beach and shallow water exploration. This metal detector offers 5 advanced search modes, including pinpoint, all metal, discrimination, memory, and jewelry, giving users the flexibility to narrow their search and locate specific types of metals more efficiently. The innovative memory mode is especially valuable, allowing users to detect only one type of metal, ideal when you are focused on finding gold, silver, or specific relics. At the heart of its design is a large, easy-to-read LCD screen measuring 3 inches by 2.2 inches, complete with a backlight for night hunts or low-light conditions. The detector provides a real-time digital image and audio cues that can be customized for a more intuitive treasure hunting experience. Its powerful 9.8-inch waterproof search coil is IP68 rated, offering dependable performance in wet sand and shallow waters, with the ability to detect a quarter coin up to 10 inches deep. The adjustable stem ranges from 42.7 to 53.5 inches, making it suitable for adults of all heights and even adaptable for older children. With 5 levels of adjustable sensitivity, users can counteract environmental interference and locate targets faster. The detector comes as a complete kit, including a premium headset, a heavy-duty digger shovel, and a multipurpose carrying bag, saving time and money on extra gear. Stylish in red and highly versatile, the DR.ÖTEK metal detector is not only great for beach days, vacations, and outdoor adventures but also makes a memorable gift for any treasure hunting enthusiast. At number 2, the Sunpow metal detector earns its place with a combination of advanced technology, durability, and user comfort, making it a top-tier option for beach and underwater treasure hunting. Featuring a significantly larger backlit LCD screen, this model enhances visibility in all lighting conditions while the symmetrical handle design ensures superior balance and control during prolonged use. Whether you are scanning the sands at sunset or exploring wooded trails, this detector offers an intuitive and effective experience. Built with a robust spiral structure and an anodized finish, the Sunpow metal detector is designed for long-term performance. Its quick-lock mechanism allows for fast assembly and easy adjustments, ideal for treasure hunters eager to get started without delay. The fully adjustable length, ranging from 19 inches to 59 inches, ensures a compact, travel-friendly design suitable for users of all heights. Beneath the surface, it boasts high-performance capabilities with a 10-inch detection depth and 5 distinct search modes to help you locate coins, jewelry, and gold with remarkable precision. The standout 12-inch IP68 waterproof coil allows for reliable detection in shallow water, wet sand, and rainy conditions, giving you the freedom to explore in nearly any environment. Although the control box is not waterproof, its durable housing keeps it protected in damp settings. Included with the unit is a lifetime warranty, making this detector a thoughtful and lasting gift for adventure-loving friends or family members. With its premium build and impressive sensitivity, the Sunpow metal detector is a standout companion for serious treasure seekers. Taking the top spot is the Pancky metal detector, an exceptional tool designed especially for beginners but packed with advanced features that rival professional models. This metal detector offers 5 distinct search modes: all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer, giving users a versatile toolkit to uncover everything from coins and relics to precious metals. Powered by a second-generation DSP chip, it delivers 25% more detection speed, sensitivity, and accuracy compared to other detectors in its class. This chip helps users focus on valuable items while filtering out trash, making treasure hunting more efficient and rewarding. The intuitive LCD display is large, backlit, and viewable from multiple angles, ensuring clear visibility even during nighttime or low-light searches. Silicone buttons enhance usability with a responsive, tactile feel, and the screen provides real-time data on target type, depth, sensitivity, and detection mode. The IP68 waterproof search coil enables detection in shallow water and along wet sandy shores, though it is important to note that the control box is not waterproof. Lightweight at only 2.4 pounds and adjustable from 47.3 to 55.2 inches, the Pancky metal detector offers an ergonomic design with an anti-slip handle and adjustable armrest for maximum comfort during extended use. Included in the kit are essential accessories such as a durable carry bag, a steel shovel, high-quality headphones, and 2 high-capacity 9V batteries. Whether you are heading to the beach, a campsite, or just exploring your backyard, the Pancky metal detector is a fantastic companion that brings adventure and discovery to every outing.